Summertime storms can quickly rain on your parade. Meteorologist KJ Jacobs explains how a weather phenomenon can trigger showers and storms in this week's Weather IQ.
A pop-up shower storm can seemingly come out of nowhere on a hot summer afternoon. Most are triggered by a weather phenomenon called an outflow boundary. A simple way of understanding the concept is rain-cooled air falls from a thunderstorm and spreads out like a wave traveling through the ocean. The rush of cool air will act as a gust front by lifting warm and humid air around it, and the process can cause more storm cells if the atmosphere is unstable. Surface wind direction will help determine where those storms will pop up next. Outflow boundaries can travel hundreds of miles, and they can be seen as a thin line of weak returns on radar. And on the ground, low horizontal clouds, such as roll clouds. You probably experienced an outflow boundary if you felt that rush of cool air just before a storm hit. In Charlotte, I'm meteorologist KJ Jacobs, WCNC Charlotte.